About to get this thing started right now, y'all. It's your boy Trav here with Trade the Trends, and I want to go over some real quick chart work, real quick, man. I want to go over some money making moves. We're about to make a money making movement right now. I'm about to show y'all what's going on in the market. First, I want to look at a little bit of what I'm gonna call some back testing right now, and let me make sure my sound is working. Yep, it's working. Just want to make sure. I don't want to be talking, be out here silent, messing with y'all. Y'all know how y'all get, right? You know, we definitely don't want that. Don't want those problems. Want to make sure y'all can hear me loud and clear. Let me see. Chart work. Getting everybody on real quick. Bet. All right, y'all. There we go real quick. It's 9 o'clock. Usually when I get this thing started, I'm going to give y'all some chart work today real quick. Just going over some quick information. You know, if you want to, this is a quick strategy that I use, you know, say anytime I want to trade the London session. This is kind of, you know, the moves I've been making, right? So y'all can see I got my lines already set up. I'm going to move them away real quick. Just going to move them out of the way, and then I'm going to put them back, and I'm going to show y'all basically what I did, right? So first of all, I'm talking about the London session. So when I'm talking about the London session, that's basically when, you know, the London banks are opening, which is usually like 8, 9 a.m. London time, which is actually 3 a.m. our time. Okay, it's 3 a.m. our time. So basically what I do in this sense is, as a matter of fact, you know what? I'm gonna just delete them all, right? So I'm gonna let y'all see it from scratch. I'm gonna just delete all my lines, okay? So I'm gonna go back and get the horizontal line. This is the first one I'm gonna make. I'm gonna find, looking at this, why is this right here? It's all in the way. All right, so now I got my horizontal line. I wanna find that 3 a.m. candle, which is right here. This 3 a.m. candle is right here, okay? So I'm gonna stick my line right there. I want that one to be white. We change the color. Boom. All right, because I'm gonna make one at the top of the candle. Then I'm gonna have me another horizontal line at the bottom of the candle. Okay, right here. Boom. Okay, that's my 3 o'clock candle. Okay, so basically what usually happens, as you can see, what usually happens is that the market at this point is then gonna, you know, basically kind of show you at a certain point the momentum of the rest of the day. Okay, for the rest of the day. All right. So basically, then what you want to do, you want to make another horizontal line 10 pips above and 10 pips below the top of the candle and the bottom of the candle. Okay. So this is at 30795. So 30895 would be 10 pips. Let's see what that's about right there. Boom. That's 10 pips. Okay. And I am going to color this to green, okay? And I'm going to do another one, as we talked about, 10 pips below, okay? So this line is at, where is that? 30528. 30428 would be 10 pips. Let me see, where's that about right there? Boom. All right. So basically what we're saying is that at this point, I'm going to enter a buy stop and a sell stop on this chart, right? And I'm basically really going to kind of set it and forget it, right? In a sense, okay? So basically what I mean by that, you know, now that you see the top of the candle, you find a 3 o'clock candle, you put a horizontal line at the top and the bottom, you then put green horizontal lines 10 pips from the top and the bottom of the candle, which is where you're going to have your buy stop and your sell stop, okay? So basically what that means is I am then going to do, let's say, the long position, right? All right, so here is my entry point. All right, and I'm going long. So basically, that's how this will look. This because this will be because the opposite ends entry point. If I'm going for the buy in this sense, right? Okay, my stop loss will be here. Okay, let me move that over to the side a little bit so you guys can kind of see where I'm entering at. All right, this is the 3 o'clock candle. So as you see, guess what? It does not, it initiates at the bottom and not the top, right? So basically, I'm gonna put 2 in, okay? So let's put the right one in, okay? We're gonna go short because it's in a sell. That's called going short, okay? It's a short position. So basically, getting a short position. Again, the green line is my entry. My stop loss is at the opposite end. So as you guys see at the 3 o'clock candle, guess what? This triggered, right? This triggered, okay? This triggered, okay? It moved down as we suspected. In certain cases, people will say, hey, I'm going to come in, I'm going to get 10 pips and dip. You can get 10, that's cool. Boom, you know, if that's your strategy. But like, say, for example, boom, we did see it come back up, but boom, we do see it. Oh, man, and just look at that potential right there, that potential that you had right there. Okay, guys, that's crazy right there, guys. That's almost 50 pips. Guys, that's almost 50 pips. Okay, 50 pips. So let's think about it. And past profits don't guarantee future profits. But 10 cents at 50 pips gives us how much? $5, right? So $1 at 50 pips gives us $50. $10 at 50 pips gives us $500. Okay, so think about your possibilities. But again, let's think about, you want to be safe. I like to be safe. I'm somebody that likes to be, you know, safe. Like I said, 15, 20 pips, right? Sometimes 10. All right. If your strategy works, just 10 pips. Like, say, boom, I put in $1, got 10 pips. You know, I put in 10 cents, got $1. Okay, every 10 cents, if you could create every 10 cents, you can make $1. How many times would you multiply 10 cents? Right? Same scenario. So it's all about start small. It's all about getting in the game, right? You got to start somewhere. Got to educate yourself, guys. You know, join the team. People that's been in the game for a while. People know to get you in the right direction, you know, and get you started to make this money and understanding these charts, guys. And it's not just about these charts, guys. You know, Bitcoin as well. I trade it all. Bitcoin. You know, a lot of people like to talk about the Bitcoins. I definitely want to talk about the Bitcoins. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Talk about these Bitcoins. All right, so Bitcoin USD. All right, we know Bitcoin, you know, took a little, you know, hit a high. Let's see what's going on. Let me take my fibs out. Let me see where my fibs at. All right, where my fibs at? Fibby no trick. Okay. So first, let me. Is the hour chart? Nah, I need a daily chart. I'm gonna look at the day by day. Ooh, dang! I was charting this up a while ago. Ooh, charting that up. Ooh, look at that. Oh, charting that thing up. I don't know what's going on here. Let's delete. Let's delete. All right, y'all. But oh man, this showing this won't delete. Okay, because I'm not deleting it the right way. Clearly, there we go. All right. So basically, guys, like I said, looking at Bitcoin, like I said, I definitely see some levels of resistance that we've penetrated right now, that we see that's going on. So let's take a quick look. You guys see, boom. All right, this looks to be now a new level of support. But again, you guys saw that a while ago. I kind of predicted it was going to shoot back up. Man, definitely should have came back to this trade a little bit sooner. But basically, probably what is going to happen at this point, I'm trying to move it over. Almost like it's not letting me grab it for some reason. All right, boom. There we go. So basically what we are going to see now that we're kind of looking at this, I'm going to show you basically what we're about to see right now. As you see, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So basically we could see it, man. Let me put this here. It's about to do something in this area, right? So let me put my horizontal lines back up, basically where I believe it could possibly come back down. So boom. Boom. Or the one that's already right here, right? We see break down, boom. So we could see a retracement, maybe back to the piece here. Let me take the fib real quick then. Do tell. So looking at that, we definitely could see 25% retrace, possibly 38% retrace. So we seeing here, and this would be almost a 50%. But what we've seen here, we've seen about 25%, 25%, similar 25%. So basically, what we want to look at is once we see it bounce around the 5,900, mark, we kind of want to see how I will want to see once it hits that position. I want to see how that daily candle would close at that point to see if we could possibly continue the downtrend, maybe to 38%, or maybe even the 50%. But if I see that that daily candle close above in the direction back going bullish, I may, there may be the point to buy some more, of course, as we can see. But guys, it's definitely want to utilize the tools and resources you have, the software and things that we have, that makes it a lot easier. I'm basically just showing you kind of the naked version, because I'm still testing certain things out, because even if you got tools, software, it's nothing like learning the skill yourself without needing those things, right? So, hey, it's always important to do what you need to do. I appreciate everybody that joined in tonight. I got a whole lot of people in my inbox right now, so I'm about to reply back to these people who's commenting on the video as well. So appreciate y'all. See y'all at the top, y'all, because the bottom, that's way too crowded.